I've noticed over the years that very often the trickiest words are in many senses the easiest words. So let's have a look at work and all it can mean. So it can mean effort. I put a lot of work into that. I put a lot of effort into that. It could be your employment. I go to work every day. It could be an achievement. How's that work? Oh yeah, sort of like this is my greatest work. It could be your book or a painting or something. It's something that you have done. Also, if you do it, so I work in the garden, I toil in the garden, I labour in the garden, that's all to sort of do work. And then also it could mean to sort of like wind up trouble, to sort of ferment things. So I might say, oh, for goodness sake, you worked her up to fever pitch. Not nice. Just sort of like, wind it up. See what I mean? Simple words are often really quite dodgy. Have a lovely day. See you soon.